Hello, this is Adam Hewison, and the market we're looking at today is the dollar index. The symbol for dollar index on Market Club is DX. This is the spot market. I've already drawn in what I consider to be a negative force line. And as you can see, we've touched the three spots that we talk about in drawing trend lines. What is interesting to me, we've had a lot of negative news on the dollar, a lot of the economy and so forth, but the dollar has really kind of, if you look at this reasonably, it's gone sideways here. So from this time period here, let's say from October to the middle of October to the middle of November, we sort of gone sideways, and we're getting very close to this line, potentially breaking above this line, which would take away the downward momentum, not to change the longer term trend of the dollar, but at least the short term trend. The other thing that's somewhat interesting is to be looking at the MACD. I'm going to scope this in a little further so you can get a much better idea of what we're looking at. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. So here we are. We could have kind of gone, we had a little lower price here, but look at how the MACD indicator is working. Okay, here's a low, right here. Here's a lower low, but a higher MACD, and here's another slightly lower low, and we're still high. So we're getting this MACD is beginning to trend up, while prices have still been trending down for some time. What that is potentially a positive divergence for the dollar. Not to say it's going to amount to a lot of things, because this market certainly has resistance right around the 76.50 level, but I think if we take out this trend line here, and that would be probably a close over 76, then I think we've got maybe a interim low in for the dollar. So just something to pay attention to. It hasn't panned out yet, but it looks as though the evidence is coming in that we may be seeing some sort of recovery, minor though it may be, in the US dollar. Something to pay attention to. Hey, this is Adam Hewison for Market Club. Thanks for stopping by. Every success.